I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself logged out of your Wise account, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Wise login page. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link and click it. This will initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Wise account and submit the form. Make sure to check for typos to avoid issues. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Wise with instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Sometimes it can end up there. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Ensure your new password is strong and secure. Getting logged out can be frustrating, but following these steps should help you regain access to your account quickly. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Wise support for assistance.